Okay, let's have a look at how to use BuzzRep itself. And fair warning, this may be one of the quickest tutorials I've ever done. First of all, let's head over to LinkedIn. And all I'm going to do is scroll down my feed to find a post that I'm interested in replying to. Let's see what we've got down here. Okay, this looks interesting. That's a nice little one about AI and AI videos. And all I'm going to do is click on comment. And you see it pops up with a choice of different styles of comments that I can make. I'm going to go with questioning. So I'll click the questioning button, let the AI write the comment. Now, obviously this is AI generated in that particular tone, but I can make any changes I want to that. And then all I do is click on comment and we're done. It's that quick. You can see my comment below. So you scroll through your feed, you look for something that you want to reply on, someone who's got a similar audience to you, someone who when you actually reply on their content, you're likely to pick up new subscribers from their audience. So I've just refreshed the page. I didn't have a lot of things showing. Let me see if I can find something else. Here's one from Stephen Bartlett. So again, I'll simply click on comment. It pops up with my different tones. I'm going to go with friendly, click the button, wait for the AI to write the comment for me, make any changes I want to, click on comment. It's really that quick and easy. Now let's head over to X and show you how to do the same thing there. Okay, so here I am on my X feed, and again, all we do is scroll down till we find a post that is relevant to our audience, the audience that we want to build. We want to tap into other people's audiences that have a similar interest. So this is from Sam Altman, and it's about AI. So I'm going to click on this post, and you can see I've got the option to reply here, and it's given me all the different tones, and I'm simply going to go with appreciative, click the button, and wait for the AI to actually write my reply for me. Again, you can make any changes you want to. Once you're happy, it's okay. Click on reply. So that's my reply done. Let's go back to the thread. I'll keep scrolling till I find something else that I want to reply on. What do we got next? Oh, another one that's related to crypto from Alex Becker. So again, I'm just going to click on the post, and this time I'm going to go with supportive. So once you click on the supportive button, sometimes you need to click twice, but once you have, it just takes a moment to write out the AI reply for you. Again, change it if you want to. Click on reply. That's now posted my reply for me. Let's go back to the thread, keep scrolling till we find something else that we want to reply on. You see the process here, and it is so quick. So here's another one that I might want to reply to. Let's click on the post. We've got our different tones. Let's go with informative because he's actually asking a question. Give it a moment or two, and here we go. We've got an answer. It's quite a long one once it's written. Obviously, you can change it to correct it if you need to. Click on reply. That posts our reply underneath. Back to our feed. You can see how easy and quick it is. I mean, I've just done 4 replies in a matter of moments. Okay, let's head across to Facebook and look at it there. So same thing again here. I'm on my feed, I'm scrolling through, I find a post that is relevant, that has the same audience as mine, has the same sort of following, and I want to generate some traffic to my own channel, to my own Facebook page, whatever it is. I want to comment on something that is popular and got lots of likes. So all I do is find the post I want, click on comment, it brings it up, and let's go with enthusiastic for this one. Click on the enthusiastic button, give the AI a moment or two, and there we go. It's come up with a reasonable reply for me. Again, if I'm not happy, change it, type over it, whatever I want, but that's all it needs to be. Click on comment, we're done. Let's close that down, keep scrolling till we find another one that we need to comment on. So the post here from Simon Harris, so let's go down to the comment, and this time I'm going to go with encouraging again. Let it write out the encouraging reply for me, hit post or comment, and it's done. Move on, keep scrolling, find the next one. That's all there is to it. It's really quick and easy to go through and reply to whichever posts suit your audience. Remember, that's the important bit. What you're trying to do is get people over to your pages, your channel, your X account, your LinkedIn profile, all of those things. So comment on posts that have audiences that are relevant to your audience. That's all you need to do. Really quick and easy. There we go. That's how easy it is to use. That's BuzzRep. Get it loaded up and start commenting quickly and easily using that AI now with BuzzRep. Hi and welcome to the BuzzRep setup and installation tutorial video. First of all, you need to log into your account. So go to buzzrep.productdyno.com/login. You'll end up on the login page here. Put your details in and you'll come through to a page that looks like this. Simply click on the link for BuzzRep and you'll see the 3 pages that we've got at the moment. First of all is where you can download the software and the bonus. Second is the setup information, and third is the user information on how to use BuzzRep. So the first thing to do is head across to the BuzzRep software and bonus. scroll down and you'll see the link for downloading the browser extension itself. So click on this and save it to your local hard drive. While you're here, it's worthwhile clicking on the download the Buzz Factor bonus ebook link and making sure you've got a copy of that to read, because that is a fascinating read. There's a lot of good information in there that is very relevant to how you use BuzzRep and get the most out of it. So grab that, make sure you download it and have a read of it. So having done that and saved the extension to your local hard drive, come back up to the top and go to BuzzRep Setup. So this will bring up a new page and we scroll down and you can see the setup instructions. Now BuzzRep will actually work on a number of different browsers, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari and Opera. And it should work on any browser that runs on the Chromium code base. But I think that list covers the main ones that most people are going to use. So for this example, I'm going to head across to my Chrome browser and run through the installation here on Chrome. So here I am in Microsoft Chrome. To get to the extensions page, you can type in Chrome://extensions, or if you have this little icon at the top here, this is the extensions icon. So you can click on that. And if we go to manage extensions, that will bring up the page for where we can manage our browser extensions. The next thing you need to do is look for the little toggle up in the right hand corner here for developer mode and make sure that developer mode is switched on as it is there. Then click on Load Unpacked up here, and once your Explorer window comes up, scroll to where you have the extension stored. So I put mine in a folder called BuzzRep, and it's called BuzzRep extension. So I'm going to click on that folder and then say that I've selected the folder, click on this, and that's the extension actually installed. So it really is quick and easy. The next thing I want to do is come back to the extensions button here, click on this and scroll down to find BuzzRep. What I'm going to do is pin it to make sure that it appears on my extensions list at the top here. I'm just going to move it across so that it's my second in the list because I'm going to use this a lot. So that's the extension installed, but what we now need to do is pop our API key from OpenAI into the extension itself to make sure it runs correctly. So I'm going to do that next. So first of all, we're going to head across to openai.com. Under the login option, we're going to choose API platform. This will take us onto a page like this once we've logged in, and you need to go across to the dashboard link here and then choose API keys, and then simply click on create new secret key. And because that's below the bit I'm videoing, let's squidge the browser up a bit so you can see it. And all you need to do is give the new key a name and choose whether you want to put it in a project or just default project, which is fine. Leave the permissions as all, click on create secret key. And when it comes up, click on copy to make sure you've got a copy of the API key. Then we're going to head back across to BuzzRep and pop it in. So all we need to do is find BuzzRep up on our extensions at the top here, click on it, and where it says API key, pop your API key in, click on save. Once it says connected, that's it, you're done. BuzzRep is set up and installed and ready to go, and it's as quick and easy as that. And just as an extra note, I'm now in Opera. The process is exactly the same. Toggle on developer mode, click on load unpacked, specify the folder on your local drive where you've got BuzzRep and select that folder. Once it's installed, make sure you click on the icon here and pin BuzzRep, and then come back into BuzzRep and put the API key in. It can be exactly the same API key across all the different browsers that you use it on. And for Microsoft Edge, again, similar process. Find the icon for extensions, click on it, choose manage extensions, toggle on developer mode, click on load unpacked, and upload the extension from wherever you've got it saved locally. That'll then appear in your list of extensions from other sources. Click on the icon again and find it and click on pin to make sure it's pinned to the toolbar. Click on the icon for BuzzRep, pop in your API key, click on save. Once it says connected, you're ready to go. So that's Microsoft Edge. So now please feel free to move on to the tutorials on how to use BuzzRep to start building your audience.